Lists, those flexible containers in Python, are kind of like treasure chests of data. Now imagine finding the shiniest golden coin in that chest. That's essentially what we'll be doing to locate the largest element in a list. And Python, our trusty tool for this quest, offers a way so simple and elegant. I'll be sharing this trick of discovery with you right now. Alright, now, diving straight into the heart of the operation, if we've got a list full of integers, like so, our challenge would be to find the largest number swiftly and elegantly. Python equips us with the powerful max function for situations like this. All we need to do is to invoke it, and the largest integer will appear before our eyes, no extra effort or complicated algorithms required. Python data is equal to max_val is equal to max print, easier to say, isn't it? And remember, this is just the most straightforward way. Python also lets us use the sorting function to find the largest element. Though we can do better with max as we just witnessed, it's always good to know all tools in the toolbox, right? But wait, what if our list isn't full of integers, but it's a mishmash of different types? Let's test it with a mixed list. In this case, we can directly use max as well, with the promise that Python will prioritize numeric values over strings. Python mixed_data is equal to max_val_mixed is equal to max print. With that, the code should print 101, our largest integer in this mishmash mix. As always, remember that the max function only works on lists or other iterable data structures. You have to catch the common value error when it encounters an empty list, so here's that wisdom embedded in our code. Python try, largest is equal to max except value error, largest is equal to none. Nicely handled, isn't it? This way, we prevent our program from crashing and instead give it a chance to recover gracefully. To further our journey and the understanding of Python's capabilities with lists, let's say you want to find the largest element and its index. To find the index, we first sort our list and then extract the index of the largest value. But remember, I'm just teasing a bit here. This is actually not the most efficient way, since sorting will affect the original list and position of items. Python being smarter, we use built-in functions to optimize our time and space usage. Alright, coming to the part where we wrap up this detailed exploration of finding the largest element in a list in Python. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did, as we journeyed together into the fascinating world of Python lists handling. If there are any other Python concepts or skills you are eager to learn about, please just say or type, and we'll dive right in. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. This journey through Python lists and the max function demonstrates yet again the versatility and user-friendly nature of this powerful programming language, making it easier for freshers like yourself to not only understand but also apply these concepts in real-world scenarios.